Ever wondered how a simple pencil begins its journey from earth and forests to your hand? The story starts deep underground, where graphite forms slowly under pressure over millions of years, naturally occurring process. Miners carefully extract graphite blocks while protecting workers and the surrounding land using modern safety methods every day. Nearby, tall trees are grown and harvested responsibly to provide the pencil wooden body for everyday writing tools. At the mill, logs are cut, dried, and sliced into smooth, thin slats ready for shaping and assembly. Graphite is cleaned, mixed with clay and water to control darkness and strength for writing comfort and durability. This soft mixture is pressed into long rods, then baked until firm and precise for consistent lines everywhere. Grooves are carved into wooden slats and graphite rods are placed gently inside with careful alignment and skill. Another slat is glued on top, creating the familiar pencil sandwich shape, ready for shaping next steps ahead. Machines cut and shape each pencil round, hexagonal or triangular, smooth to touch for comfort and control while writing. Pencils are painted bright colors layer by layer, then dried to shine with protective coatings added carefully. Some receive erasers as metal bands are crimped tightly onto the ends for quick, clean corrections anytime. Every pencil is sharpened, tested, and inspected to ensure smooth writing without breaks during real use moments. Finished pencils are counted, boxed, and shipped to classroom, studios, and desks worldwide, ready to inspire ideas everywhere. From raw materials to creative tools, each pencil carries craftsmanship, science, and patience in every single stroke drawn. The next time you write, remember the long journey behind that quiet wooden stick, shaping thoughts and dreams. A pencil may be small, but its making connects nature, people, and imagination across the entire world today.